Today I'm making pink coconut fudge. This pretty, festive, and delicious treat is super easy to make. Plus, it takes just a few ingredients. So, who could that be? Oh, it's my neighbor Frankie. Hey Frankie. What, you want to do another Halloween video? But I don't have a costume. Wait, you made us costumes? Well, okay. What, jump on the count of 3? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. I'm Barbie? And you're Frank Kenstein? Okay, so let's get started. Take an 8x8 baking pan and line it with foil, leaving enough foil hanging over the edges to use as handles to lift the fudge out. In a microwave-safe bowl, add 3 cups of white chocolate morsels and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Now melt this in the microwave in 20 to 30 second intervals, stirring each time until it's melted. Then add 2 teaspoons of coconut extract and 2 to 4 drops of pink or red food coloring. Now stir this together until it's well combined. You can add more food coloring to get the shade of pink that you like. Then add 1 1/4 cups of flaked sweetened coconut. Now stir this together until it's well combined. Then place the mixture into your prepared pan and spread it out evenly. If you like, you can add sprinkles to the top. Now chill this in the refrigerator for a few hours to set up. Then lift the foil and the fudge out of the pan and cut it into squares to serve. And here it is, pink coconut fudge. This easy fudge turns out creamy and delicious. And be sure to store this covered in the refrigerator. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at amylynnskitchen. Hey Frankie, you want to taste this pink coconut fudge? Hey, what are you doing? Oh no, you don't. Where'd he go? Oh well. But we gotta do it again because you messed up. You gotta do it again. Hi, Frankie. No, you're good. 2, 3. Oh, wait, yeah. 1, 2, 2, 3. No. 2, 3. No. Okay. Huh. Okay. Oh, what was that? Oh, what was that? Was that? Oh my God. Okay, stop. Stop. In a microwave safe bowl. You can add Then add 1 1/4 cups of sweetened. Oh. I got my arm caught. Just do it. Get my arm. Frankie.